Oh my God. Is that what I think it is? Oh my God, guys, I think we have a one of one here. Is that our first facsimile auto from Sapphire? Wow! Is that a triple auto? Whoa! Wow! Spider-Man, Hulk, and Wolverine!
Yo, guys, you got any cards for sale? Ah, he's got a memory. I like cards. It's something about getting in that skid steer. Living. Go birds! We put the F in fuck.
Hi guys, I'm back at my house. We just got some new pickups. Let me show you what I got. Starting off, we got the Jaden Daniels Retro Rated Rookie PSA 10. Then we got the Jahmyr Gibbs Purple Pulsar PSA 9. Jaden Daniels Hollow on the PSA 9.